Hola, hola, minasan! Rosita here, and welcome back to my channel. Did you guys know that even when you are asleep, if someone says your name, you pay attention? There's your fun fact for today. So my teachers, this goes without saying, knowing your student's name is going to be the first step in building rapport. It's going to be the first step in building a relationship. If relationships work, the school works. Then schools become a place where people want to be instead of a place where they have to be. Once we know the students names, we can find both formal and informal ways to connect with them. In teaching foreign languages, this can be easily accomplished by having students interview and do introductions in the targeted language. The added benefit here, this also helps us recognize names, putting the names to the faces. Which, I don't know about you guys, I suck at remembering names. Okay, especially human names. Dog names, on the other hand. Do I have any dog lovers or cat lovers? Let me know in the comments below. Okay. So, according to Renee Nomella Kane and Jeffrey Kane, two brain researchers, learning is profoundly influenced by social relationships. If you use a little bit of time each day to connect with your students, you will see a difference in how they treat themselves, each other, and you. Greeting everyone by name at the beginning of the class, recognizing who participates in school activities, someone's new haircut maybe, all count as information connections. And what about greetings, guys? Especially when teaching a foreign language. Greetings are, well, one, very cultural to say the least. This is a great place to start. It's a great place to blend learning and connection. Like, create a personal handshake, or depending on the district that you teach in, maybe a air handshake, or a class dance, or a class game, or practice some culturally specific greetings of the countries that speak the targeted language that you are teaching. Formal connections are made through structured involvement activities if you're teaching adults, such as icebreakers, protocols, an advisor or advisee activities. All of these can be modified, guys, to be done in the targeted language. Have students share the people, the places, the things they value the most. Do you guys know the phrase, I don't care about what you know until I know you care? Yeah, that's a good quote to remember and follow by. It's a great reminder that building professional connections with students is important. Be sure to spend more time at the beginning of the school year or term, or any time when you're going to start a new group class course. Start it off by building relationships. All right, guys, hopefully you found this video insightful. Please be sure to like, to follow, to share, to comment, all the fun social media things. And help a teacher out, right? If you guys have questions, or if there's a topic that you would like for me to talk on, please let me know in the comments below. And until next time, I shall see you guys in the next video. Bye, everyone.